I love letters and words throughout my house, and I want to show you a really inexpensive, easy way to make your own cute letters. What you can do is just get a letter like this or a wood letter like this at any craft store, and then get a neat collection of paper. It can be scrap paper that you buy, or it can be wallpaper, sheet music, old books, anything that you would like to see on your letter. First, I'm going to show you how to do this really simple one. Again, because this doesn't have the shape like this, this is really, really easy to do. You take your piece of paper and you're going to, I would flip it over and do it on the back of the pattern piece of paper that you would like, and just trace it, and then, you know, cut it. You could even use an X-Acto knife too, which would be an easy way to get it cut. Then this product I love, and I use it because it's a glue that has a little more oomph than just a plain craft glue. You're going to paint it on here and then just simply adhere your piece of paper. And if you want to give it a shinier finish too, go ahead and paint this over it again. It gives it a nice acrylic finished look. This one was a little more complicated because it has these beveled edges, but this one I did a decoupage, and I think it adds a lot of cute personality to it. So I hope this has inspired you to create your own words and, you know, again, a really easy update to your decor.